Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the message that says your chat settings prevent you from sending messages in Roblox. First, open Roblox and go to the Settings menu by clicking the gear icon. Select the Privacy tab from the left side. Here, find the option called Who Can Chat With Me and make sure it's set to Everyone or Friends, depending on your preference. Next, scroll down to Account Restrictions and confirm it's turned off, because this setting can block chat features. Now, check Parental Controls and make sure chat is not restricted by a PIN. If your account is under 13, some chat features may be limited automatically. Save any changes and restart Roblox. After doing this, chat should work normally again in games and messages. Subscribe the channel for more videos.